Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to create a shortcut to quickly send streaks to your friend on Snapchat. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this is a really useful feature on Snapchat where if you have a long list of friends on your account and you would like to pin a contact so you can send them streaks every day. So let me show you how to do it. Open your Snapchat app. Now take a picture of something to send to your friend. Now press send to. Tap on the search bar and just down below you'll see the label create shortcut. Tap on it. Now choose your contact from the list. You can choose a single contact or a multiple contacts to include in the shortcut. Then at the bottom tap on create shortcut. Snapchat will then tell you to choose an emoji. Tap on OK. Using your keyboard, tap on the emoji key and then choose your emoji to represent that contact. You can only choose one emoji to represent that contact. Then tap on Create Shortcut. At the top, you'll notice a new emoji shortcut. To use that shortcut, you just need to tap on it, then tap on Select to select all the contact, or if you want to send to one person in that contact list, then select the name. At the bottom, a blue bar will appear. Tap on the arrow to send off your streaks. And there you go, that is how to create a shortcut to quickly send streaks to your friends on Snapchat. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.